Setting up your T-Mobile hotspot begins with the SIM card. First, insert your activated T-Mobile SIM card into the designated slot on your hotspot device. Next, configure the access point name, or APN. The APN acts as the gateway for data connectivity. For T-Mobile, the default APN is fast.tmobile.com. You can access the APN settings through your hotspot's web interface, typically at 192.12.1 or via the T-Mobile app. It's crucial to ensure the APN setting is correct for optimal data speeds and connectivity. An incorrect APN will prevent internet access. Confirm that the APN matches T-Mobile's LTE 5G settings. The final step involves setting up your Wi-Fi network name, called the SSID. This is the name that devices will see when searching for available Wi-Fi connections. The default SSID is usually something like T-Mobile XXXX with a randomly generated password. It's highly recommended to change both the SID and password from their defaults through the hotspot's admin panel. To secure your hotspot, create a strong password. It should be between 8 to 20 characters and include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. For enhanced security, use WPA3 encryption if your device supports it. Changing the default credentials prevents unauthorized access, especially in public environments. With these steps completed, your T-Mobile hotspot will be ready to connect your devices to the internet.